Hello friends, a very warm welcome to you in this new episode of Stock Pick. Stock Pick is one series that all of you have loved so much, and I'm thankful to you for the comments, all the comments and the questions that you guys are asking, because that is keeping the discussion alive. And I'm enjoying observing different stocks, recommending about different stocks, talking about certain levels. And in a series that is continuing today about stock pick, we are going to talk about three stocks which belong to banking sector, and they are going to be HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. So we'll start with HDFC Bank. Let's go to my screen. So we have a HDFC Bank weekly chart in front of us. So HDFC Bank probably for last 1 year or maybe more than that, it is consolidating. Since October 21, it is in a bearish kind of a trend, but even before that, since February 21, more than a year, it is now in kind of a consolidation and in kind of a exhaustion phase, you can say. So not much of a buying, no new greater highs, and in a way this 1700 level is kind of where the HDFC Bank has stuck. If we see HDFC Bank chart right now, so steadily it is in a way forming lows, then there is a lower high being formed, and after this lower high, price is moving in a lower manner. Now earlier as well, when I was mentioning about HDFC Bank, I had categorically mentioned on this day 4th of April, we were sure about the merger of HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank is not going to work in a good way for these companies. So we had recommended a stop loss on HDFC Bank. Even if let's say you guys have not accepted that stop loss, let's talk about the targets, and maybe at that point in time you may consider booking some part of the position in HDFC Bank. So if I want to calculate a Fibonacci target, the simplest tool that I generally use is a Fibonacci tool, and I am plotting it from a Dow theory high to a significant low in as per Dow theory. So what I get is 1.272 level, which is somewhere here, and that level is 1174. Now I also want to confirm this level with respect to another aspect. So from 2020 COVID low, if we are looking at the rally and a retracement after that, so I get a range, and that range is somewhere around this level of 1175 and 1115. So this is my level. If we get HDFC, this will be the buy zone for HDFC Bank. So buy zone for HDFC Bank. Okay, now this level is going to be 1115 and 1175. It may seem that we have not analyzed the chart much, and we are just randomly plotting our Fibonacci and just coming to a particular level, but these levels work like a charm, and this is how it's going to work for us as well. So HDFC Bank, this will be the buy zone, and till the time price comes here, it may take another couple of months, 3 months, but the price will certainly reach to these zones. Next stock that we are going to talk about is ICICI Bank. Now in case of ICICI Bank as well, if you see the stock has made a high in October 2021, and since then it is consistently making a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So this is how the price movement is actually taking place. If we want to calculate target for ICICI Bank, then in that case I am going to use a simple method. I am plotting this, and my target comes to around 581. So for ICICI Bank, this level of 1.272 is around 581. If we measure the retracement part from this 2020 low, then the retracement is around 50%, and that is very natural because ICICI Bank is a stronger stock, and this being a stronger stock, the retracement can be limited to only 50%. So the zone that comes as a buying zone for us will be somewhere here. Okay, so the buy zone is between these two levels, 567 and 581. Okay, so this is where I am expecting ICICI Bank to be. Between these two levels, 581 and 561. If we get somewhere in between this, you can just go ahead and start slowly accumulating. We'll do a confirmation video, we'll do a follow-up video at the time when the prices will reach here, and approximately when prices will reach here, I think Nifty will also be around 13,000 or 12,800 mark, and then at that point we'll take a review how things are going to go, how things are going to happen. Okay, the third stock that we are going to talk about is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank, okay, I had done this analysis prior and we had expected around 38% retracement in Kotak Mahindra Bank. This is some early stage. The target seems like it has completed right now, but more importantly, the stock has spent a lot of time accumulating and the bounce which could not sustain, and finally it has again given up. So the target that we are expecting in case of Kotak Mahindra Bank is about 1514. So 1500 is the level where I am expecting Kotak Mahindra Bank to be, and this is how I think we can calculate the zone. So the first level will be 1480 and the higher level of the range will be 1514. So these are my two targets, two levels in between. If the price come retest and go, then this is the level where we should consider buying, start buying, accumulating this stock, and then as we get confirmation of a bullish trend, we'll keep on adding to it. Now see guys, this is not a recommendation to buy, but this is where we are expecting the bearish targets to get reached. So first criteria will be the price is moving in that direction, and the second target, once the second target or the lower level of the range completes, from those levels if you are getting certain buying pressure, in that case on a confirmation of a buying signal, which will confirm in the follow-up videos, and then at that point in time we'll create our trades, we'll initiate our equity trades. So this is how I'm looking at the leading banks of banking sector. Another video will create for PSU banks, and this PSU bank analysis will probably complete our banking sector analysis, the leading stocks of banking sector of course, and these are the things that I want you guys to watch for. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Growth Module. Guys, thank you so much.